Welcome to Passport to Learning, your gateway to studying abroad, made simple.
Hello friends, hope you are well. So today I am going to show you how to fulfill the um, declaration of consent form for Federal Embassy of Germany. So now I am going to show you, especially these documents is important for student visa, as well as it may need for other visas also who you would like to apply for Germany. So how you will fill up today, I am going to show you where you will find these documents and how you will fill up these documents and how you will submit these documents. So first of all, uh, open your any browser, I mean Chrome browser or any other browser, then write down here, or you can directly open, sorry. So I write down here and write down that as I would like to apply from Bangladesh, so this is why I am searching this document in German embassy in Dhaka, the capital city of Bangladesh, as the German embassy is situated this Dhaka. So this is why I am searching like this way. If you are from another country, then you can search by your capital city or where is the German embassy of your country is situated. So yeah, if you are from Bangladesh, so you can directly follow this video how I am doing it, and then you will find the second website, German embassy in Dhaka, information regarding study visa. It's similar for visa application form, like visa application form. Then scroll down, and here altogether you will get two things. One is visa application form, another is declaration. So I already uploaded the video how to fill up the visa application form. Then I will give this video in the description box. If you need, then you can watch also this video. Then click here, declaration form, and here this is a declaration form, you can see. So additional information available on, see, actually barcode to be given by the visa officer. This is not your task. And name, you will write down here your name as like your passport, and present address, postal code and location, district, everything, and telephone number or your phone number, your email address you can write down here. Must give the accurate information. Give also phone number and email address which you used for your German embassy's appointment. Then after completing this, then you will write down here the date and give your signature. So how you will, from here there is no option to do this. Okay, see, there is no option to edit this. So how you will do it? So you can download this download overview services back, and from here you just download this form, recent history full. See, actually there is no download option, so go to print page, and yeah, so here is the print. I don't want to print out this, but as there is no option for direct download, so I am going to download it like printing option. So yeah, you can write down here your file name, how you consent form. So yeah, write down here, then save by your chosen name, and then open your browser again and write down PDF editor, and by PDF editor all PDF editor are not free, so as if you know any free PDF editor, you can use that, no problem. So now I would like to use this. I love PDF. Maximum of services, this website is free, so this is why I use this a lot of times. So yeah, upload your file here. It's take a few seconds, and see your this file is here. So from here easily you can edit. If you want, you can edit, it's no problem. For example, if you would like to edit, so you can write down your name here. Like this. So from here you can also decrease or smaller the, this is so smaller, this is also so smaller. As your wish, you can edit this, no problem. So here you can see, you can also make it larger. 24 is okay. You can also fix it as you wish. See, actually this is, and then you will also write down your present address, postal code and location, and then telephone number, and also your email address. Then you will give your sign and signature there, and after that you will edit the PDF and download it, and then after download, then you will print out it and give the hard signature, I mean not digital signature. Always remember that for embassies all documents, it's better for you to give your handwriting signature directly. This is called that hard signature, hard copy signature. And then you will submit these documents with your visa application form. This is called the declaration of consent. So thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, this is the way of doing or completing these documents. And thank you so much. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment if you need any other videos. So hope see you in Germany. Thank you so much. Bye.